Hey Levi, what do you want to make today?
Welch's strawberry cheesy tarts.
I'm gonna put the puff pastry right down here.
Wait,
Ah, there you go. Beautiful.
let's poke some holes. Too much, too much. I need a pinch of salt.
Oh, okay.
I should get this one.
Oh, because you're the chef?
Because I'm the chef. Time to fill the tarts.
There you go. There you go.
This looks really good. I love Welch's. Oops. Squish, squish, squish. Quick,
Quick.
quick, 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 quick. Egg wash is done. Time to put these in the oven. Our tarts are done. It needs Welch's.
Which one do you want to try? This one? Mmm.
It tastes so good.
The best moments are made.
Stick it together. I think we should wash our face now.